For today with the Husqvarna, I've got some parts from Rottweiler Performance. They are some case savers, and they go like that. They're Tekmo. I'll put this in the description. As you can see on this side, the foot peg, if you fall down on this side, can fall up and actually damage the case pretty well. So probably want to put some case savers on if you're planning on doing anything a little wild. So in order to put this piece on, it has screw holes here, here, and then over right here. We're going to take off this screw behind this. We're going to have to remove this one buried back here. So these will all be easy. I don't know if foot peg's going to be a problem, or if I can just, no, I can probably just move that out of the way. But to get to this one right here, I'm going to have to take this off, and I've seen a video on it. It leaks a little bit of oil. So I'm going to lean the bike over. Okay, good. This probably isn't the best way to do it, but that's how I'm going to do it. For this, you're going to need T30s. Ta-da. And it's not leaking any, so that's even better. That doesn't. Okay, these aren't that tight at all. That guy, this guy, and then this guy down here, which doesn't reach with that. Shark. There we go. Just had to extend that a little bit. Alrighty, there we go. But they were over hand tight, so I'll just do that again. Don't drop it down in there. That wouldn't be fun. That much, I suppose. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, let me stand the bike back up real quick. These are, that's loosening it, dumbass. And then we're gonna do just over hand tight. There it is on the side of it. Ew. Go on just like that. Fits perfectly. You don't have to take any other random things off. I was buying these from Rottweiler. I wrote in like the comments, the description. I said I need to buy these to hide the scratches I made from my dad. And they wrote back, what'd they say? Lol, hope they hide the scratches, smiley face. So they're great people. They're a lot of fun. All right, this one, when it goes on, we do 1, 2, and then a third one over here. I don't know what this side is going to do. I don't think it'll leak. That one's pretty loose. So there it is, third one down by the shifter right there. Ta-da! Are all on there. Bring the camera over here to see that. It's this one right here. There we go. I like it. So that all was very quick. Shouldn't really take that long. And I mean, you don't even have to put it on anything like a bucket so it can not drain. It won't drain that much. But as you can see, this doesn't touch it or anything like that. And it also hides those scratches I made before. So then if I do fall on this again, hopefully it won't go into the case, but this will do its job and save it a little bit. I do like it though. Oh, that's so cool, the carbon fiber. Can I take off stickers? Nope, I can't take off stickers. That is really in there. Obviously, I did crash this bike, looped it, and that's how I ended up with that damage over there. Within the first month or so of me buying any bike, especially with a new exhaust, I will always manage to crash it. Because, like for that MT-09 over there, I managed to crash it and I fucked up. It's carbon fiber exhaust right here, but I replaced the tip. And then luckily it did have frame sliders, like right here and a case saver. So luckily that bike was safe. But for this one, yeah, it wasn't. It doesn't have any protection on it. So I'm also gonna fix up some protection to put on these. Some what are these things called? Axle sliders. That'll be a thing in the future. And yeah, it's a shame that I did this to carbon fiber exhaust, but couldn't find any tip. I looked on Leo's site and I couldn't find any tip to replace it, so I'm just gonna leave it. It's not that bad. Like, you know, if it messed up the entire side and gashed it out, like how I did for the MT-09, it completely just had a hole in it like that. But this one's just kind of a scratch right there. I don't really mind that the metal inside is scratched up either. Although that will make removing the DB killer an ass. I just realized that. Life sucks, I guess. I don't think there's any protection you can get to prevent scratching up here or anything like that. You know, there's some scratches along here, but you can barely see them, and it's like, I don't really mind that either. It's more of like the metal was actually messed up there and things like that. Yeah, I don't see why people take these things off. They're great. They do a really good job of protecting. Anyways, I think that's all. It looks so cool, right? Woo-hoo. All right, toodles. Do you like it? It's my rigged GoPro mount. It's taped to a camera tripod. It's just the little GoPro mount. I could glue it on with this little sticky strip, but it's not a very good glue, so I just taped it